Endocrinology through multiple choice questions. In part 1, we will present 5 MCQs related to basic endocrine physiology, commonly asked in university examinations such as KNRUHS and NTRUHS. In part 2, we will continue with 5 another MCQs focusing on applied and clinical aspects of endocrinology. Let us begin with part 1. The first 5 MCQs are here from endocrinology. This is the first question, and where which hormone does not require a second messenger for its action? These are your options: A. FSH, B. Glucagon, C. Estrogen, D. ACTH. Any guesses? The answer is C. Estrogen. You know why? And estrogen is a steroid hormone or lipid soluble and enter the cell to bind with intracellular or nuclear receptors, directly affecting the gene transcription. Peptide hormones like FSH, ACTH, and glucagon act through second messenger systems, mostly cyclic AMP. I hope you understand. Let us go to the second question. Which zone of the adrenal cortex secretes aldosterone? Your options are: A. Zona glomerulosa, B. Zona fasciculata, C. Zona reticularis, D. Adrenal medulla. Any guesses again? So the answer is zona glomerulosa. The answer is glomerulosa because it is a adrenal cortex has got some layers and hormones, three layers and three hormones it secretes. Zona glomerulosa secrete mineralocorticoids like aldosterone. Zona fasciculata glucocorticoids like cortisol. Zona reticularis secrete androgens. So your answer is zona glomerulosa. These three layers can be remembered by the short terms GFR. GFR. Okay. Aldosterone regulates sodium retention and potassium excretion in the kidney. So hope you understand again. Now let us move on to the third one. The most potent hypothyroid hormone is. Please comment, and if you guess the answer. Options are T4 thyroxine, B T3 triiodothyronine, C reverse T3, D thyroglobulin. The answer is B and T3 or triiodothyronine. Why? Because although T4 is secreted in large quantity, T3 is 3 to 4 times more biologically active. Most T3 is produced by peripheral conversion of T4 in tissues such as liver and kidney. So this is the explanation for your answer. So if you have any doubts, you can comment on this. Now, fourth question: which hormone is responsible for milk ejection reflex? Any guesses? Option A prolactin, option B oxytocin, option C estrogen, option D progesterone. Answer is B oxytocin. Why does B oxytocin mean? Prolactin is a milk producing hormone. Oxytocin is a milk ejection or a milk let down reflex. So that's why oxytocin causes contraction of myoepithelial cells of the mammary glands, forcing milk into ducts. Hope you cleared your doubt here. So the answer is, I already mentioned, it is oxytocin. Now we'll move on to the fifth one. In primary hyperparathyroidism, which of the following is seen? A. Decreased serum calcium. B. Increased serum calcium. C. Decreased bone resorption. D. Increased phosphate resorption in the kidney. So any guesses, you can comment. And the answer is B. Increased serum calcium. You know why? And excess parathyroid hormone PTH causes increased bone resorption, increased calcium resorption in the kidney, increased vitamin D activation, increased intestinal calcium absorption. So which results hypercalcemia and hypophosphatemia. So these are very important questions for the examination point of view for NTR and even KNRUHS. Hope you understand. We'll continue the other 5 clinical based questions in part 2. Thank you very much.